Last year, I made a video claiming that America will soon deliver freedom by force with stunning ground effect seaplane. The video focused on a DARPA program called Liberty Lifter that should have gifted the American military with the ability to deliver supplies in hard-to-reach places on the shoreline. Well, forget it, as the Liberty Lifter is not happening, so America will no longer deliver its freedom anywhere this way. That's because DARPA, the brains behind the idea, now considers the project complete and will not pursue it any further. Instead of building a demonstrator aircraft, DARPA says that it's working with industry and DoD stakeholders to accelerate transition of what they've learned to encourage rapid fielding of platforms leveraging the technologies. The Liberty Lifter was announced back in 2022 as an affordable, innovative, and disruptive seaplane. It was in essence a ground effect vehicle, meaning it should have been able to move fast above the surface of the water, where it could also set down in order to be loaded or unloaded with anything from military gear and supplies to soldiers. The requirements for the Liberty Lifter called for it to be able to fly at 100 feet above the water, but if need be, it had to be able to climb to 10,000 feet. It would have needed no runway or prepared surface to reach its destination, as a simple stretch of water would have been enough. And it shouldn't have mattered if the waters were restless, as the Liberty Lifter was supposed to be able to operate in sea state 5 conditions, meaning waves between 2.5 and 4 meters high. The aircraft should have been invisible to radar and sonar, and should have been capable of lifting 220,000 pounds of cargo, a tad more than what the C-17 Globemaster III cargo plane is capable of. A year after it announced the program, DARPA selected 2 companies to advance their designs: General Atomics and Boeing's Aurora Flight Sciences. None of them actually built anything, but they both gave us a preview of their designs. General Atomics was working on a twin-hull, mid-wing design that relied on 12 turboshaft engines to do its thing. Aurora's idea, on the other hand, looked more like a flying boat, sporting a single hull, massive wings, and 8 engines. The program was supposed to enter a preliminary design review stage last year, but that will no longer happen. DARPA does not say why it chose to scrap the program, but says the research conducted so far into it proved the viability of the Liberty Lifter concept.